We're here at the Sheldon Concert Hall and Art Galleries. Most people know that we present concerts throughout the season, but we also have these wonderful world-class art galleries as well. And this winter-spring, we've opened 5 new exhibits here that we think everyone's gonna love. So the 5 new exhibits that we've opened this season include Mississippi River Views. It features 3 photographers, including Jennifer Colton, John Guider, and the late John Hilgert, and they're all exploring the role of rivers in our culture here in the St. Louis community. We also have an installation by artist Megan Singleton, which also pays tribute to the rivers and is a great companion to those photographs. We also have Riverworks Project, which is a beautiful fabric quilt-based exhibit put together by local artist Sun Smith Foray. She gathered over 100 different artists to put together this quilt that also celebrates rivers, not only in our region, but also in popular culture and in myth and story as well. We have a great tribute exhibit in our architecture gallery to Phil Durham. He is a well-known architect in St. Louis who passed away a couple years ago. He created many buildings that people would be familiar with and had a great hand in creating City Garden in downtown St. Louis. He was a true artist and believed in drawing and model making and kind of the old school ways of drafting architectural models. And then we also have a wonderful exhibit in our children's art gallery called East Side Renaissance. And it is put together with the help of world-renowned artist Edna Patterson Petty, who's from East St. Louis, and she works with kids at the Christian Activity Center. They put together artwork based on objects and items they find around their community, in their travels, and it's just a wonderful, joy-filled, and positive program, the results of which are just wonderful to see. And finally, we have a beautiful exhibit by Benjamin Pierce. He's a painter who creates whimsical characters and these sort of fantastical paintings of St. Louis and Missouri native birds and moths, but they're sort of unified with human forms, and his work really speaks to unity and the need for us all to come together in our community. We're really proud to be able to offer these exhibits free and open to the public here at the Sheldon. It's part of our mission to present artists of local, national, and international renown, and we feel like we're able to do that 3 times a year through these rotation of exhibits that we have. This particular round of exhibits, we feature a lot of local artists, and it is just an amazing thing to see the diversity and the talent that we have here in the community. And so we are so happy to be able to share that with the St. Louis community, whether you're coming here for a concert or you're just coming specifically for the exhibits. In addition to the 5 new exhibits that we're opening, we are also continuing our exhibit called St. Louis Music Africa, and it is an exhibit of instruments from all over Africa, including some new ones that we've added for winter-spring that are from Northern Africa, Egypt, and kind of touch on the Islamic traditions of Africa. These exhibits continue through April 11th, and you can find all of the details on our hours and how to visit at thesheldon.org.